Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another snack review. These videos are when we try something new, something different, a new snack, a new flavor of something that we have not experienced before, tasted before. And today we are trying a new flavor of donuts, Hostess Donettes. We have here Honey Bun Hostess Donettes. As you can see there, it's new. Honey Bun Donettes, a new flavor from Hostess. It's hard to go wrong with a donut of any type, but I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like donuts, but I'm not one of those. So Honey Bun mini donuts with a sweet vanilla flavored glaze, no artificial colors, no high fructose corn syrup. Yeah, here's what one of those suckers looks like. That was pretty good. In all honesty, it tasted just like a honey bun, but in a small donut form, just as advertised. Right there, you know, it's supposed to be, you know, honey bun flavored, but these are toasted donuts, and that's what it tastes like. Good job, Hostess. It's hard to go wrong with any sort of donut anyway. Then, you know, trying something different, as long as it's, you know, tastes the way that it's what it's advertised and the way it's supposed to taste. I mean, you've got a winning combo there. I know there are a lot of people like honey buns. They're okay. I have one in a very great while, maybe once a year, once every other year. But I do like these little donut flavors. Way to go, Hostess. You did well. You did well. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Oh, well, I didn't even describe this. So, would I purchase these again? Yeah, I would probably purchase these again, in all honesty. They're a new flavor. They may not be around for very long, but I would purchase them again. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give those a 7. Give them a 7, solid 7. Well, if you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.